Sequences are a special type of iterable in Python that can be indexed using square brackets to get items by their position. And you can also ask them for their length to see how many things are inside the sequence. So a sequence is an ordered collection. It maintains the order of the things in the sequence. These are all iterables. Not all of them are sequences. So we could write a for loop to loop over any of these. We can also actually get the length of any of these. We cannot index them all though. So indexing works like this. Fruits 0 gives us the first thing inside the fruits list. So a list is a sequence. Coordinates -1 would give us the last thing inside of coordinates. So you can usually negative index sequences to get things in the reverse order from the end of the sequence. And you can typically slice sequences. So greetings :-1 will give us everything up to but not including the last thing that is in this sequence. So we will get all of the characters in this string except for the exclamation mark. Sets are iterables, but they are not sequences. So if we try to index a set, it's not going to work. And if we try to index a dictionary, it might seem like it works depending on what the keys in the dictionary are, but we're not actually indexing here with a dictionary. We're doing a key value lookup. So dictionaries are not sequences. And in fact, if you tried to slice a dictionary, you would get an error telling you this isn't something we can do. So sequences are a special type of iterable that has a length and you can index it. Typically you can slice them, typically you can negative index them. The examples of sequences that we usually see in Python at first are strings, tuples, and lists. Range objects are also sequences, which is kind of interesting, and you'll see other sequences floating around in Python, but those are the three that we typically encounter most often.